This is the day sa buhay sa farm. Char. For today's video. For today's video sa buhay ng tao. Yung taga-video ko. Hey, Gap Gap! Where are you? Itutur ko kayo sa aming farm. Pot? Saan pot? Sa farm. Okay. So, this is the chef cook. Yeah. Yeah. And and this is the and this is the queen of the Tana. Kung may queen of tears, ito queen of the Tana ito. Ito kayo no, pito ma-video nga lugo tayo vlog ko lugo eh. Pero dyan ang manura ito kinuko. Ano dyan naman ito huri na bisto na. And this is the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom where everything happens for a reason. And there you go. This is the black kitten is there is the what is that? No, not the gardener. And that is the mini pool. Yay! You see that? It's very unique because it's color green. Oh, you see? Oh. And that is the view. Oh, you see the view? Of course, you see the view if you watch the view. Okay. And let's walk and walk so that we will arrive to the arrival. Oh, okay. And there are the gardener. Oi, say hi, gardener. Yes, that is the gardener, and there is the we're oh my god, I cannot. That is the English speaking subject. Okay, and then let's walk and walk again until we arrive in the arrival soon. Oh, you can see that is the one of the swimmer. Oh, you see there is a swimmer there. Okay. Oh, okay, the swimmer is not swimming right now because he removed all the water in the swimming pool. Oh, why? I don't know why, but okay. And then, what is that? I don't know. There are lots of... Oh, okay, bye. And let's turn around and let's go around and around and around. Oh, okay. Of course, we cannot video the videoer. Cannot video the videoer. This English ko. Okay, so let's walk. And hi, what is that? Ay, madede ganuri. And there you go. Okay. Thank you guys. What? Thank you guys. Bye vlog. Vlog. Bulag. Bye vlog bulag.